Please open DroidKit and select Device Manager function. Please click Start button. Then connect your device to computer with the USB cable. Please make sure you have launched USB debugging option on your Android device. Please click the Messages option. Here you can refresh the interface to load messages, delete the unwanted messages, transfer the messages to the computer or another Android device. Please select the messages you need to transfer, choose the formats and then click Continue button. The data has been transferred successfully now. After clicking View Files option, you can check the messages.